You probably use two-shot molded products every day and never even realize it. Your toothbrush grip, your game controller, the soft touch knobs in your car, even common kitchen utensils. Many of these are made with two-shot injection molding, or simply 2K injection molding. So what exactly is two-shot injection molding? In simple terms, it's a manufacturing process where two polymers are molded together in a single machine cycle. Hard and soft, rigid and flexible, working together like two layers of a perfectly baked dessert. Here's how a typical two-shot injection molding cycle works. Step 1. First shot. We inject a rigid plastic to form the part's core skeleton. Step 2. Rotation. Here's the magic. The mold rotates, or it shifts the part to another cavity. Step 3. Second shot. A second material is molded over or beside the first, creating a permanent bond. Step 4. Ejection. Out comes a single seamless part. No glue, no assembly. But getting this right isn't just 2 shots and done. Material compatibility, temperature control, timing, cavity design, even the surface condition of the first shot all influence whether the bond is perfect or peels apart like an old sticker. Two-shot molding really lives up to its name, doesn't it? 2 shots, 1 perfect piece. If you've got questions or want to dig deeper, just drop a comment or check out our website. Thanks for watching. See you next one.